What if the voices doubting you are the reason you're about to win? What if everything they said you couldn't do becomes your greatest weapon? Stay until the end, because today you stop listening to them and start owning the world. You cannot conquer a world you cannot see. Most people are not tired, they are lost. They wake up, scroll, work, sleep, repeat. No target, no direction, no purpose. That is not living, that is drifting. But you were different. You have a vision, a destination so clear that every sacrifice becomes fuel. Every late night becomes a step forward. Every failure becomes a lesson. When your vision is strong, pain becomes progress, work becomes joy, and struggle becomes training. Find your blueprint, find your Reg Park, find the version of you that already won and chase it. Because when you know where you're going, no one can stop you. They will laugh, they will doubt, they will say, "That's impossible." Good. Let their doubt become your energy. When they say no, you hear, "Watch me." When they say impossible, you hear, "I'm next." Every legend was once called unrealistic. Every winner was once ignored. Every empire started with one person who refused to listen. Your accent, your past, your failures, your scars, they are not weaknesses, they are your advantage. The world doesn't belong to the most accepted, it belongs to the most relentless. Vision without action is hallucination. You must put in the reps, every day, in silence, in discipline. Work when you're tired, work when you're doubted, work when no one is watching. Train your mind, train your body, train your craft. And when your first attempt fails, good, because failure is not the opposite of success, it is the price of entry. You don't stop because it didn't work. You adjust, you learn, you come back stronger. That is how unstoppable is built. Everything is impossible until someone does it. Why not you? Why not the one they ignored? Why not the one they underestimated? Why not the one who kept going? You have two choices: drift and live the life they expect from you, or fight and build the life you see in your mind. So decide, will you listen to them, or will you become the force they cannot stop? Ignore them, outwork them, outgrow them. Because when you become unstoppable, the world is no longer something you fear, it becomes something you own. The world is yours. If you're done being doubted, type unstoppable in the comments. Subscribe, because this is where the ignored become legends.